Every country holds a story, woven through its landscapes, its monuments, its culture, and the memories of its people. At nVisionIT we have created a complete digital tourism and heritage platform designed to bring that story to life and make it accessible to the world. This solution unifies every heritage site, cultural landmark, natural attraction, trail, and event into one beautifully designed mobile app. Visitors can explore destinations through interactive maps, curated content, photo galleries, and rich storytelling. With immersive 360-degree virtual tours, panoramic views, and drone videos, travelers can experience sites virtually before they visit, helping them plan their journeys and deepening their connection to each place. Behind this experience is a powerful content management system that allows tourism and heritage teams to update information instantly. New sites can be added, photos and videos uploaded, trails created, and events published, all in real time. The platform supports multilingual content, detailed descriptions, interactive media, and QR code site interactions, ensuring accessibility for both local and international audiences. Built with modern, scalable technology, this solution can be deployed at regional or national level for any country. Tourism authorities benefit from dashboards and analytics that show visitor interest, popular attractions, and engagement trends, helping shape informed strategies for tourism growth. More than just an app, this platform is a digital gateway, preserving culture, promoting tourism, and showcasing a nation's identity to the world. It blends technology with heritage to create an immersive, engaging experience for travelers everywhere. nVisionIT, engineering excellence bringing culture, history, and discovery into the digital age.